Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to add EMA, Exponential, Moving Average, and TradingView. Firstly, visit the TradingView website and log into your account. Hover to Products in the top menu, then click Super Charts. Search and open the chart of any stock, Forex pair, crypto, etc. Click on the indicators icon at the top. In the search bar type Moving Average. You'll see like Moving Average or Exponential Moving Average. Click on your preferred one to add it to your chart. Once the EMA appears on the chart, hover over it to the top left legend. Click the settings icon to customize length, source, color line and style. Use it for analysis, SMA or EMA. Then try using two EMAs to crossover strategies like fast, buy signal or sell signal. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.